Good morning, everybody. This is the dashboard. We're headed out on a Sunday morning. We're headed out to Yulee Cars and Coffee over in Yulee at the Five Below parking lot behind the Sonic. Anyway, it's a beautiful day to be out going to a car show. It's not hot. It's a little on the cool side, but not too bad. We're a little wore out. We had the big car show yesterday with the Isle of Eight Flags car show in Fernandina. And then we had the Iceman game last night. Unfortunate results there. And now we're headed to another car show. So it's been a busy weekend. Anyway, we love going to this car show because there's always different cars that show up. You never know exactly what's going to show up at this car show. There's your regulars, but then there's the stuff that just don't show up all the time. There's always some neat stuff to see. And being as it's after the Eight Flags car show, there might be some more neat stuff. More than usual neat stuff. Okay, there we go. So, anyway, we're going to take some video. We're going to take a lot of pictures. We're going to do some walkabouts. First of all, that right there is fucking nuts. Whoa! Yeah. Like, yeah, I was telling you. Girlfriend Kylie. All right. This is the first one.
What is this? That's what it's called. Okay.
It's a 1/3 scale motorcycle. That's fucked up. You're good. I'll fuck with it. Yeah, imagine that. 500 horsepower. Yeah, I got something.
Hey guys, so we just left the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for the month. It was a little bit of a smaller crowd this month. I think that may be in part due to, for lack of a better word, a hangover from the Eight Flags car show yesterday. Like I said, we had a smaller crowd, but it was still a good crowd. I think we had a big group come out from the Jacksonville area Mopar group, because there was like, I don't know, 24 Mopars all parked together. So anyway, that's going to do it for this weekend for us. We're going to be posting the videos through the week and through the next week as we can. Next weekend, the 26th, we have, I think, one big car show in St. Augustine at the Adamak Harley Davidson dealership with the Callahan Cruisers. They're doing their trunk or treat event. So it should be a good show. We always have a good turnout at it. Although this year there's like 3 other shows going on the same day, so we don't know. Depends on where people want to be. But we're going to go out to that one because we're part of the Callahan Cruisers. So club loyalty over everything else. The channel, we're doing really great on the channel. We're starting to grow again. We're at 136 subscribers. I appreciate all my subscribers. I love you guys. I wouldn't be doing it if people weren't following my channel. I really wouldn't. So if you guys are liking and sharing the videos, tell people about the channel. Say, hey, there's this crazy guy down in Florida that's just going out and filming the car shows. Go check his channel out. Whatever. Just get the word out. Let people get eyes on the channel. Maybe they'll like what they see. So anyway, like I always say, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and we'll keep these videos coming at you.